Hello, everyone. My name is Kathleen Wright, and this is a Brain Food Bite, which is a brief summary of what I plan to cover on October 31st at noon with respect to our California third quarter update. And a lot happened in this third quarter because this is the time frame wherein the governor signs what we call trailer bills that implement the budget. And some of them are big benefits for your client. In the governor's budget, there are rebates, which you've probably already heard about, that are being paid to certain taxpayers. You need to know about that so you can certainly inform your client as to whether they qualify for this benefit. Then we have changes to the SALT cap workaround, or the pass-through entity tax credit. And as we worked through that credit, we found that there were certain glitches, so to speak. Most of these glitches have been changed and the statute modified so that they no longer exist. And you need to know about that because that's a big benefit for your clients. We also had a problem with the PPP loans and how they were treated on the state return, where California law had not conformed exactly to federals, and therefore there were buckets of loans that were treated differently, and that's all been fixed. And for those of you that serve the cannabis industry, you're in for really good news. As you are aware, clients that tried to toe the line, get all the licenses they needed, pay all the taxes they were required to pay initially on the sale of cannabis product, found that they were priced out of the black market, that's for sure. And the black market became even more of a factor when all these rules came into place. Essentially, marijuana was legalized. And now, to provide support to the administration and the taxability of this product, several pieces of legislation have been taxed. So there's simplification, there's tax credits. You really want to hear about that one. You need to know about remote workers. That's going to have state and local consequences. You need to know about Nexus, new case on marketplace facilitators, as well as new rules addressing how Public Law 86272 applies to internet transactions. Apportionment. Most all of you do apportionment, and if you use market-based sourcing, these rules are the subject of new regs. You want to know about that too. And I'll end on conformity. Lots of good news. Conformity is not one of them. Conformity still lags way behind January 1, 2015. But come and hear about what you need to know for your client to ensure that you properly report all these federal changes where California might not conform. And then there's always a few developments in the area of independent contractor with our new ABC test. Thank you so much. Hope to see you on October 31st.